the Instagram search is not working or the search page is loading properly on your Android device, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow or unstable, Instagram search may not work. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reset your connection by turning airplane mode on and off. Next, restart the Instagram app. Close Instagram completely and reopen it. If that doesn't help, restart your phone to clear any temporary glitches. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update is available. Running an outdated version may cause search issues. Clear Instagram app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app in the list and tap on it. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the issue persists, try clearing data. But note that this will log you out. Check if Instagram is experiencing server issues. You can visit a website like Down Detector to see if Instagram is down. If it is, you'll need to wait for Instagram to fix it. If none of these methods work, uninstall and reinstall Instagram. This ensures you have a fresh version of the app without any corrupted files. Still having issues? Report the problem to Instagram by going to Settings, Report a Problem, describe the issue and submit it. That's it. Hopefully this helps fix the Instagram search not working issue. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.